friends. Hi, how are ya? It is a Wednesday. I just really felt like sharing with you guys today. So I picked up the camera, which I haven't done in a long time, so I'm a little rusty. It's 9:30. I just crawled out of bed. Haven't even had coffee yet. We got kind of potentially a lot going on today. In the summertime, our schedule is very loosey-goosey. Unless we have like scheduled appointments or things that we absolutely have to do that day, I kind of just play it by ear and go with the flow. I know that I'm very lucky to be able to do that. If you're new to my channel, I am a stay-at-home mom to two boys. Robert is 16, Austin is 11. It's summertime. We don't have a lot of summer activities going on for once. Typically our summers are pretty busy, but this summer we really just are playing it loosey-goosey, like I said. But we do have some things potentially on the agenda today, so I thought it would be a good day to share. First and foremost, I need coffee and breakfast. And then I have about 3 loads of laundry sitting here to fold that we washed yesterday, and I just never got around to, which I'm pretty famous for. So that's kind of how I'm going to spend my morning. Later on, like I said, we got some potential things we're going to get up to, some exciting things, so I'll be taking you along with me today. Hope that you will enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Let's get some breakfast. Okay guys, I wanted to give you a little look-see at my breakfast here. I have a monstrous sized breakfast burrito. It is a turkey sausage patty, 2 eggs, a teeny tiny little pinch of cheese, and some salsa on one of these Ole Extreme Wellness high fiber tortillas. I'm kind of counting calories again. I know I have a ton of weight to lose, so I figured why not try again. So this is like this whole breakfast with my coffee, which has the Italian sweet cream sugar-free creamer. This is like 350-ish calories. You guys, I know that I used to drink and love the Italian sweet cream sugar-free from Coffee Mate for years, but I just bought it again for the first time, and oh my god, it's so gross. I don't know if I just need to get used to it because I've been away from sugar-free creamer for so long, but ugh, I'm trying to stomach it, but it's not doing it for me. So I'm going to make it through that bottle, and if I'm still not feeling it, I'm going to go back to my full of sugar stuff and just count the calories for it, because this stuff is bad. Ugh. Kind of like, I think when you switch from regular soda to diet soda, your body just needs to adjust, but the adjustment period sucks. And then I have my water, so that is my breakfast. Alright you guys, it is 11:46. I have been busy taking care of that laundry I told you guys about, watching Sarah Ray Vargas. I've got a bit of a chaotic mess going on, so this is the next thing on my list. I'm going to work on getting the kitchen cleaned up. Have to load the dishwasher. Hey look, this is new since you guys last joined me here in my household. We had to get a new dishwasher. I showed you guys like months ago that my dishwasher was on its way out, and it finally we said goodbye to it, rest in peace. But I don't know, do you see a problem here other than the giant hole ripped in the floor from when we had the Beagle Molly? I don't know if I ever showed Molly on my channel, but she chewed that up years ago. We never fixed it because we are lazy and just hasn't been on the priority list. But now we have a new problem. Do you see how this doesn't exactly fit? So this counter is sort of like not even really attached anymore. Yeah, so apparently we have mobile home sized stuff, since it's a mobile home, shock. And this is a standard size dishwasher, and it didn't fit. So we bought the dishwasher, and now we have to tear this out and replace it so that everything fits and functions properly. So that's part of our adventure today. We ordered a bunch of stuff from Home Depot and Lowe's to be able to kind of continue our kitchen remodeling journey one little teeny tiny piece at a time. That's how we're doing it. I'm going to have a mutt kitchen where it's sort of this half really beautiful white and half this sort of really old, like, oak, which is fine. I'm not trying to impress anybody. We could totally tear out the entire kitchen and redo it, which eventually is something that we plan on doing. We don't have time for a project that big, nor do I really want to spend that much money all at once. So we're going to do this little section of the kitchen next. We started with this. Last year we built in the refrigerator. I'm sure you guys remember this if you have been watching my vlogs that long. This refrigerator is nasty. I need to clean it. But so yeah, we started with this. Now we're gonna move on and do this little tiny corner. And then eventually this will all be torn out and redone in white cabinetry. But yeah, we're going to do a butcher block countertop, which I'm super psyched about. And I'm actually really excited about doing just this one little area because I've never had a butcher block countertop before. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I don't know if I'm going to hate it. So this seems like just enough counter to kind of commit to it and see how I like it. And then later on down the line when we do the rest of the kitchen, if I'm in love with the butcher block countertop, we will continue it on this little peninsula here, and if I hate it, we'll do something different. So yeah, it's like committing to a new kitchen, but not really. And is it going to be a little bit crazy to have like a two-tone kitchen for a while? Sure, but I don't really care. So that's the plan. So when Eric gets home tonight, we're gonna go pick up all the stuff we ordered. I doubt very much if we will start this project today because by the time he gets home after working all day, he's not gonna want to start tearing stuff up, but that's on the agenda. The dishwasher, by the way, we love. It's a Maytag. This is another way we are mutts. We do not necessarily match brands with our appliances. The fridge is a Whirlpool, which you guys know if you were watching my channel back then, we got at a super, super huge discount because it's got a teeny, teeny, tiny little dent, which you can't really see through the fingerprints and smudge. So, you know, perfect for our house. The microwave is a Whirlpool, which also needs to be cleaned. And the, what is this thing? The range is a Frigidaire. So we got kind of a little bit of everything. Well, I guess the microwave and the fridge match, but then we have a Maytag dishwasher, which I actually really love. It works out great. Much better than the dishwasher we had, especially considering the motor issues. But it'll work a lot better when it's actually installed properly and can be level, because right now the door doesn't really close properly unless you mess with it. So yeah, that was my long-winded way of saying I'm gonna clean the kitchen. We're gonna remodel, not really remodel. We're gonna redo this little section of the kitchen here soon. You guys will see that in an upcoming video, I'm sure. And yeah, I'll show you guys an after. Okay, so I told you guys I'd show you an after. It's really more of a during because I'm not gonna hand wash those pots. That's like practically every pot that I own and pan that I own, because I don't put my pans in the dishwasher, but I hate hand washing them, so I always use like every single one in the whole house and then wash them all at once, which is a terrible habit, but it is what it is. So I'm not gonna do that, but otherwise the kitchen is in pretty good shape. I also didn't clean the stovetop, but I did clean my refrigerator. I used this Method Steel for Real, which I don't know if I'm really sold on. Everything I use kind of leaves this fridge streaky. It's probably just the finish of the appliance. I said stove, I meant refrigerator. Y'all know what I'm saying. This stuff smells really good. Like really, really good. It's apple orchard scent. But it's a teeny tiny bottle and it was like $5, so I won't buy that one again. I usually really like Method products, but I'm not really sold on this one. So if you guys have a stainless steel cleaner that you love, I've tried the Wyman one. I've tried a commercial one that I got from Gordon Food Service. They all kind of leave it streaky, so maybe I'm doing something wrong, or maybe it's just this refrigerator and it's always going to be that way. Like the top looks really nice, and the bottom looks streaky, so I don't know if it's the angle I'm standing at. I don't know what it is. The fridge is a conundrum, but it's better. At least all of the stuff that was like caked on it is gone. I also did the microwave, so yay me. It's noon. I'm gonna fold some more laundry and have a snack. My snack, by the way, is a banana, and I am still trying to work on this really gross coffee. I don't know, you guys. I know I used to love this stuff, but it's gross now. I guess I don't know, maybe they changed it, but most likely it's just my taste buds changed. And I don't like them anymore. There's Austin. Hi. Okay, you guys, so I definitely did not intend for this to turn into a what I ate in a day video, but that's sort of what's been happening, so I'm just gonna go with it. I have lunch here. It is just before 2 o'clock. And this is a chopped Asian salad kit that I got from Walmart. It's the Market Side brand. I ate half of the salad kit yesterday, and it was probably one of the best salads I've ever had. I really, really liked it. I don't think it's going to be as good today because like the little tortilla strips and stuff are going to be soggy. If I do this again, I will make half the salad at a time so that doesn't happen. But this is my lunch. It's really, really delicious. I also have one of these grapefruit sparkling waters from Aldi. That's what I'm going to have for lunch. Like I said, I didn't intend for this to be a what I ate video, but if you guys would like to see dedicated what I ate videos, counting calories, or just kind of in general what I'm eating every day, let me know. I used to make those videos all the time back when I was doing Weight Watchers, and they were some of my most popular videos. I don't know if people are really interested in calorie counting or whatever, but let me know if you guys want to see videos that are just exclusively what I ate videos, or if you like just me sticking what I'm eating in with my vlogs, since it's kind of real life. Let me know what you guys want to see, but I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I'll check in with you guys later. Alright, you guys, it is hot outside today. Like, as soon as we all walked out, it felt like we were just dripping with sweat. How's that for a visual? We are headed to take my big guy here, say hi Robbie, to get his driving permit, hopefully, provided that we have all of the proper documentation, because they want your birth certificate and your social security card and, you know, 2 limbs and God knows what else. So hopefully we have all the proper documentation so that he can go and get that. He went through driver's training, passed his tests that he needed to pass. Hopefully the Secretary of State office isn't ridiculously busy and we don't have to wait 6 hours. And then after that, Robbie's gonna drive us to Lowe's.
One extra person is gonna make a damn bit of difference.
Everyone's favorite place. Alright, you guys, so after the longest wait in history, I'm about to be driven by my son for the first time. Are you excited to drive?
Done it before.
Look here.
I've done it before.
You're not nervous? You haven't driven this before.
So it's much bigger and safer. So
Well, yeah, but here's the thing.
I need to change mirrors.
Oh Lord, pray for me.
No.
So this guy drives my truck for 5 minutes and now it's broken down.
It's a coincidence.
It's a coincidence, I know. My husband's outside right now waiting on roadside assistance. I think our alternator just went bad. But at least we made it to Tim Hortons before that happened. I have an iced coffee. He got some donuts. Celebrate. Alright, so, update. We had them come out and jump the truck, and it died again, so it's gotta be the alternator. So now we're waiting on a flatbed to take us home. And did I mention that it's 95 degrees? It is like hot. And of course, my husband's phone is dead, so he can't just go into the restaurant. He has to stay here with the phone plugged in so that when they call him, he can tell them where to go. So, that is the update. Say hi.
Hi.
They haven't seen you in a vlog in like forever.
At least we got stuck somewhere with food.
They have to see me dripping sweat and in a bad mood.
You don't look like you're in a bad mood to me. You're smiling. Alright, you guys, we finally made it home. It is 9:15 and my husband is outside putting an alternator in our car. Hopefully that will fix the problem. What a nightmare. We sat and waited for the tow truck for at least an hour and a half. But the truck's home. Hopefully it'll be fixed. Everything's good. Because of all the drama, we did not get to go to Lowe's, so we couldn't pick up my cabinets. But at Home Depot, my husband was able to pick up my countertop. So I'll share that with you guys, at least end this vlog on a good note. Okay, here it is. Just a butcher block. You can buy it in sections. This is, I think, a 4-foot section, and I think it's going to be so beautiful once it's all oiled and put in. So I'm very, very excited about it. I love the character with the knots and the, you know, just the variations in the wood. It's not perfect, and I love that about it. Oh, and my camera can't focus on it. But I think it's going to be so pretty once it's in. But that'll be another vlog. For now, I'm going to go ahead and say goodnight, put on some pajamas, cool down a little bit. It's hot outside. I got a kitchen to clean up again. We ended up eating at Tim Hortons, since that's where we were stranded. When we realized that the tow truck driver was going to be so late, we went in and got sandwiches. I had a ham and Swiss, which was actually pretty good and not too many calories, so I still ended the day on a good note in that regard. So yeah, I'm gonna go put on some pajamas, enjoy the air conditioning, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye, thanks so much for watching.